We've been purchasing vehicles, my husband and I have, since about 1999 is when we first purchased our vehicle, which was a Ford Ranger. And then we purchased a Ford Escape. And then we've been Explorer drivers ever since. From the time you enter the door, if you've ever been a customer, they never forget your face. You're like family. When you walk in the door, the popcorn's popped and the coffee pot's waiting. My parents buy from Ronnie Watkins Ford. My friends buy from Ronnie Watkins Ford. I send my professional friends from Ronnie Watkins Ford. We wear Ronnie Watkins Ford tags, highly proud. Absolutely no hassle. You come in, you pick out what you want. They have a wonderful sales staff. They go with you hand in hand all the way down to the financial advisors that they have. No problem. And I recommend family members and friends to Ronnie Watkins Ford. No matter where you're at, what's going on, Ronnie Watkins Ford's always here and just a phone call away.